Listen, speak, read, write. This is a read-along video. As you read along, a green dot will appear at times to let you know where we are in the text. A sound effect lets you know we've moved on to a new screen or page in the text. Let's begin. Preamble of the United States Constitution. We the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. Thanks for watching.